name is Mike Sperry, and I have the Low Note Tundra here. And what I have in it is quite a bit. So as Jacob's, right? Mm-hmm. Yep. JacobViral's here's videos show all the equipment I have in here. Because if I sit there and discuss every little bit of it, we might be here for a while.
Yeah. So I remember before you had scars, I think.
Yep.
And then you upgraded to avatars.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
I got tired blowing the scars.
Really?
Yeah.
So a little more motor force, handle a little better coil power on these.
Oh, okay. God, yeah.
Shop all things car audio at Sonic Electronics and use discount code JacobViral at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
So what is like your big power amplifier, lithium alternator? Like I don't know. Go ahead, man.
The alternator is a JS320.
Okay.
And the lithium is Skib lithium banks.
Okay.
So
got it.
Nice. Yeah, because I couldn't tell.
yeah, it's we got 2 banks. There's 112 amp hours each.
Okay.
So each amp has its own skib.
Okay. And this is a 6th order?
Yes.
Wow, that's a really small quarter in the back. Do you know the tunings?
I don't remember. It's been
all
too
good.
long.
It's okay. I like your fur action too.
Thanks.
Yeah. Wow. So what are these subs rated at? RMS on them. I forgot.
I think they handle up to 3,500 watts RMS.
Okay. Very nice. Wow. And the other ones you have were like 1,500, I think?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I keep on blowing coils.
Really? Yeah.
It took a while to clean out that whole enclosure. There's one, there were just guts everywhere.
Really?
Yeah, it was bad.
Have you done any SPL tests on this?
I'm going to do that today.
Okay. Well, good luck on the meter. I would say at least, what are you going for? 55, 56 at least? Or?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Awesome.
Definitely.
Awesome. How low are you able to play down to on this?
You know, I haven't tested it yet.
Really? Okay.
Get out some noise for you.
Yeah, it's a lot quieter.
All right, you ready for some tunes?
Yeah, man, I love to hear it. Yeah, awesome.
Here we go, man.
Got one more song?
Yeah.
All right, awesome.
Just one another song for you.
Sure.
Give me 1 second.
You're good.
Let's try this one.
What's happening? Hey, T, come on, man. Damn, we out of cut again. I told Pot to bring the shit together.
punchy.
Oh, yeah.
This sounds really good, man. I appreciate it, man. That was 35.46. Okay. Nice. Wow, that's awesome, dude. Really a lot of pressure for mid 30 hertz range. I appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, not
Very
a problem,
nice.
man. Thanks, Jacob.
You're welcome, man. Good to see you again. The low note Tundra, right?
Yep.
All right.
Take it easy, buddy.
You too, man.